happy Sunday! Happy Sunday! Welcome back to our lovely cooking channel. Today, guys, I have a really fun, tasty, scrumptious pasta dish to show you guys. So if you're a veggie lover, then please stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys how to make veggie pasta stir fry. I just want to make it and make a point out there as well. If you love your veggies, this is vegan and vegetarian friendly. So please enjoy this particular recipe and I hope you guys enjoy it and show your family and friends. So let's get into it. We're going to be using some honey. So I've got 2 tablespoons of honey. For the seasoning today, guys, we're only using garlic granules, all-purpose seasoning, Cajun seasoning, 2 lovely Maggi cubes right here, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half of the tomato puree stick, 1 mini scotch bonnet, 3 bell peppers, 2 large red onions, 150 grams of penne pasta, and lastly 100 grams of frozen mixed veggies. Okay guys, so the first step is we're gonna cook and boil our penne pasta for 12 minutes. Once it's all nice and cooked, we're gonna use that for the stir-fried pasta, okay? That's it, guys. That is it. We've come all the way right through to the end of this great, tasty, scrumptious pasta recipe, guys. It smells so good and I'm so excited to share with my family and friends tonight. So guys, if you've enjoyed this pasta dish, please do like, share and comment below if you want to see some more veggie or, you know, tasty, scrumptious pasta dishes. Pasta is the best dish and it's so much dishes to make with pasta. So please do let me know if you want any more for us to do. If not, I can't wait to see you guys all in the next video we have. Stay blessed and see you next time. Bye.